Hey guys, Steve Quillian here from Wood Window Makeover. Of course, I am finishing up. I made this octagonal shaped window frame today, and with it goes an octagonal shaped sash, which is on my table right here. See? So now it's time for me to put some glass back in it, or not back in it, but in it for the first time. So I have to cut the glass to fit and then glaze it in. So I thought, let's just show everybody how I do it. And if I screw it up, everybody gets to see, right? So this is a Harbor Freight special. See that? I'm trying to move it around so it focuses in so you can see it. This is like $3 or $4 at Harbor Freight. Okay. Mark has this red one here. This has got the name General on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the if you look at it, look at them. Okay, look at them. Those are exactly the same. Okay, the logo says General right there. There's no logo right there. Okay, same manufacturer, made in China. So, if you can get one cheaper, go ahead and get it. So, this is just a regular old table. Okay, nothing special about it, but maybe you see that there's some lines. Okay. Okay, see it marked? It says 20 right there. Okay. That line that's next to it, that's what I'm going to score on. Okay. There, listen to the sound. You hear that sound? That's how you know you get a good score. Look how my cutter is straight up and down, and the tip of it is pointed away from me. Okay. And I had the tip pointed away from me. I've scored the glass. I've created a weak spot, and I'm going to exploit that weak spot. I'm going to stretch the glass across that weak spot, and it's going to snap. See, like that? That's exactly how that happens. Okay? So that's 120. I'm just going to turn it this way. Cut 20 this way. I'm going to sight through the glass on my line. Okay? So I'm going to listen for a hissing sound almost. Okay? There you go. So I'm just going to stretch the glass across that score line. I created a weak spot in my glass, and it just snaps off like that. I'm going to try to get it lined up so that it will fall into place once I snap it. And what I mean is, look, you should have a little bit of space right there. See that? Okay, just like a hair, not much. Okay, not much. See that? Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to score along here, 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 and here. I'm going to snap it, and it's going to go right in. Okay? So. Straight score. Score it. I'm just tracing on the inside of my line. Now, watch this. Snap, snap, snap. That was already snapped. Okay. Look. Wasn't that nice? That was so easy. So, y'all enjoyed that? That was pretty enjoyable, right? I thought it might take even longer, but it didn't take long at all. Okay.